it's Christmas Day here, 2022, and we are getting bundled up. Right, Abe? We're getting bundled up to go outside?
Yes.
To the tundra for some Christmas Day shenanigans.
To service the
and
animals.
yes, we're gonna go do chores. And hopefully dig ourselves out of this snow we're in here. There's a lot of snow.
I'm gonna pull out this area first, too.
Mom, you gotta help Tanya get dressed.
I will.
Go.
I don't know what she's gonna wear. I'm not gonna be cold. Tanya, I'm gonna
We have some snow drifts that are about 7 feet tall in front of the barn door, so it's very hard to access the barn to even do the chores. Excuse me, my boy. Hey, baby. That's pretty deep right there. We do have a snowblower. It's a pretty awesome one, and it's in there. We can access the back of that barn though, so if we need to, we can get it out. It's just not gonna work if the snow is that high. Stella! Hey, Stella! Little snow doggy. She's a good girl. Hopefully you can hear me. My voice might be a little muffled. Today it's finally less windy. Still pretty windy, but it was up to 65-mile-an-hour winds for a straight 48 hours, really. Go see the street. Nothing's been down our road since Friday morning. It's Sunday now. One large front loader came down our road yesterday and made one pass through the street. But it's still at least that deep, and it's dense snow. So I think they were just clearing a way for some snowplows to be able to come through. But that is so deep right there.
We're on the road.
That one drift right there, that's up to my chest. Right here. Super deep.
Mom.
All right, come on. Let's go.
Walk in the snow. Oh.
Look at this tree.
It's so in there under that.
You're doing good. You're almost there. What do I have to do?
4 buckets of feed for the pigs. Half ground corn, half whole corn, and whole oats. 4 buckets.
Roger that.
1 bucket for the laying hens.
Okay.
Fill all those up.
Okay. Let's go. Ooh. It's a little windy. Yeah, put your back to the wind. Walk backwards. as you can see, that drift is very high. It's at least 7 feet because he's standing on at least a foot of snow. And he's 5'9". Stella! Keep trying, my boy. He's the man boy. We call him man boy. Eve, are you a man? Are you a man?
Yes. Man.
Or are you a boy?
Man boy.
He's a man boy. Aspiring to be the man. Man boy. Man. Woman. Honestly, this is pretty crappy. But today is a lot less windy, so you can actually see. So that's why we're not overly upset. And you just gotta make the best of your situations. This is not a great one. So, but the barn is nice and warm inside, so once we get in there, we'll be fine. Ay, ay, ay.
My head.
Happy.
How is there so much snow in here?
This video, we can go to the house. After that, Lydia, fill up the duck's feed, okay?
Lydia, you can use your hand to move the chicken. Stella!
You can't water anything.
Grandma? Yeah, you have to use a bucket. The hoses are frozen.
Wait, so we gotta, or we could put snow in the bucket and it'll melt.
It won't melt, man boy. You gotta go take a bucket over to where the water is, turn it on, fill it up halfway, because then you can carry it. Do you need me to shut that off? All right. Oh, you did it. Look at you. Careful, don't splash yourself. You don't want to get wet. Do you want help? No? Okay. Sawdust. That's good.
Yeah, I know.
I'll be happy with that. We got any eggs up in here? Did you do these rabbits? Do you want to do the rabbits now? No.
using now for water?
Water from the spigot. You have a bucket, like little water dishes in there. Put water in. Are you getting like super close to my face with that camera?
They're so cute. They're so cute.
That'll work. Couldn't find a scooper. So what is this? Until I pull it off.
Yep. That's what we usually use.
I'm gonna top it off. In cold weather, you make sure you've got your animals very fed. Lots of food, extra food to keep their. I'm gonna finish feeding these rabbits, and then we'll go to some more animals. We keep all our sawdust in these big garbage cans with lids. We go through a lot of sawdust. When it's really sloppy, not usually in the winter, the ducks can get really messy. You usually dust where you step as you go. Keep your boots clean. Food, water, and dry bedding. Very important.
Stella.
Okay, we're done. It is calming down a little bit, the wind. Well, I'm back in. What? Is that a car on a road? Unbelievable. First one I've seen since Friday morning. They must have plowed when we were inside the barn.
Oh yeah, they did.
They did?
Yeah, I need a bucket.
Well, we're not stranded anymore.
All the way back to the boat.
What do you need?
I need to walk all the way back into the boat.
All right. Well, this is nice. We have sidewalk again. Nice. And they plowed our road. Now we have people driving by. Oh, that was a little nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. Being snowed in for 2 full days. Hopefully nobody had to go to the emergency room. Because honestly, you can't make it. So now we gotta go shovel out the whole side barn door. so that we can get the tractor out to start moving the snow. That should take several hours. Whew, I'm just taking a breather here, catching my breath. It's a lot of hard work walking through this deep snow. Thanks for tuning in. Stay warm and Merry Christmas. Okay, come on, Stella. Come on, Snow Dog.